Hello, my name is Patrick and I would be very interested in helping people around the world to learn new languages. Now, the languages that I have to offer would be English, the West of Ireland variety, which I'm now speaking. Also Gaelic, the West of Ireland variety. Spanish, the Canary Islands variety. And the Canary Islands whistling language, which in Spanish is known as El Silbo. Smisha Pádraig, Nishingaiga, August Vjalom Ave, Torts Kauro Gorini, a Fiolum Tsangyochai Ura. Yo soy Patricio y me encantaría estar ayudando a gente para aprender idiomas nuevos.